G'day. In my last video I talked about the process of getting a medical device approved in Australia, and a key component of that was the quality management system, or the QMS. Now that leads to the question of how do I build a QMS that the regulator will accept? In short, you need to follow the requirements of the international standard ISO 13485. You should also be doing your risk management to the standard ISO 14971. I've put links to both of those in the comments below. Now, yes, these standards are documents that you have to pay for. Okay, but if you're a medical device manufacturer, you really do need them. If you're a member of an association or a university, you may be able to get a copy from your library, but you should really consider having your own copy by the time your QMS is being audited by the regulator. In summary, although QMS has to meet the requirements of the standard and the regulatory requirements themselves, it does not have to be big or complex. For instance, if your product is low risk and the processes to design and make it are low risk, or if it's a simple product or simple to manufacture, you can expect that the QMS will be relatively simple as well. ISO 13485 and the Australian regulatory requirements are both flexible. This gives you the freedom to build a QMS that fits your product, your company, and your culture. There are also no rules that require you to purchase purpose-made QMS software or a specific software package. You can run a QMS on any platform you choose as long as it is effective. For example, I have used and built effective quality management systems that operate using MS Office and an online filing system. That said, I don't recommend Google Drive, only because its document control and the way ownership of documents works in that product is not really compatible with QMS. Finally, because medical device quality management systems are well harmonised internationally through the standard ISO 13485, building a system that conforms to that standard sets you up to be well placed not just to pass Australia's regulatory requirements, but to enter other markets who recognise that standard. Make sure you check out my future videos, including where we will look at how to apply QMS to software as a medical device, also known as SAMD, to get that approved in Australia. I'm Dr. Lee Walsh, founder and principal of Platypus Technical Health.